Facebook events are a powerful tool for pubs to attract more people to special nights that you're hosting, live music events, or seasonal events at your pub. Creating an event on Facebook allows you to share all of the key details with your followers in a structured and visual way. It also helps you reach a wider audience because Facebook promotes relevant events to local users based on their interests and their location. Events are also really easy for people to share with their connections on Facebook. With Facebook events, you can create excitement by inviting followers, sharing those updates, and even boosting the event with a paid ad to reach more potential customers. It's a simple way to increase awareness and drive footfall to your pub. Events on Facebook are completely free to use. When you add a new event, it will be posted to your page as a new post, as well as appearing in your Events tab. When a user registers as interested or attending your event, they'll be sent notifications on the lead up to the date, reminding them of the key information. So it's really simple and easy to set up an event. This can be done on mobile or desktop. In your pub's Facebook page, click on Events, select Create a New Event, and fill in the details such as the event name, date, time, location, and description. Add an eye-catching cover photo that represents the event well. And once you've filled out all the information, post the event and be sure to invite all of your followers to attend. That's in your communication settings. You can also add co-host to your event at this stage, and you can also set up advertising for your event at this stage as well. You can use a graphic at the top of your Facebook event. This could be something you've designed on Canva. If so, just make sure it includes the date and a little bit about the event itself. Or you could use an engaging photo of your event. So maybe using a professional shot that's been done or something that features your staff or your pub's interior. To promote your event effectively, share it across your Facebook page and in local groups. Boost the event using a Facebook ad to target a local audience. Create engaging posts leading up to the event featuring sneak peeks or special offers for attendees. And encourage your customers to RSVP and share the event with their friends. Here's a great example of using posts on the build up to an event. In this case, promoting a raffle happening at an event itself. So you can do a little countdown, adding some emojis or asking a question. And then of course, adding a couple of photos is a great way to ensure that you get visibility in Facebook. So here's how you would boost your event using paid advertising. First of all, your event needs to be in existence already on Facebook and just hit the boost button. Here you can change any of the way that your ad looks. So you could crop the image or change the description that's going to show in the ad. And you'll always get a preview of how the ad's going to look over on the right-hand side. Next, you would be thinking about who you want to target. So a little bit further down from this section, we've got the audience. Here you'll be able to choose people through targeting, such as how old they are and where they're based. You could automatically choose people in your local area and then just change the radius as you desire. You could also target people who have particular interests, such as cocktail or the brand of alcohol that you think that they might like. You'd then set a duration, so around 10 days is probably the maximum that you'd want to run this sort of advert for. So think about how that aligns with your schedule and then decide on how much you'd like to spend. So ideally you would be targeting around £10 a day, or you could go right up to, as Facebook suggests here, £300. Just make sure that you keep an eye on the estimated number of how many accounts you're likely to reach. So here it's between 200 and 600, which isn't a huge amount. So I may wish to increase my budget of £30 here. After your event, thank your attendees for coming and share any photos or videos that you've taken on the night. You could ask for feedback or invite any of your followers to share their own photos and videos. And you can also promote future events and encourage attendees to return by offering exclusive discounts or early access to tickets for upcoming events. Okay, so once your event has taken place, then a really good thing to do is add a big photo album to Facebook of what happened at your event, particularly if you had a professional photographer there taking a lot of snaps. These types of posts are called multi-image posts, and they're incredibly engaging, particularly if you are telling people, oh, all the photos will be added on Facebook, so go and check Facebook out. People will want to see photos from the event to see if they feature in any of them, and also they're highly shareable too with friends and family. Here's another example of a post-event photo album. This time the photos have been added to an album on Facebook as opposed to just being in the post itself. This is another great way to add a large amount of photos up on Facebook. The only thing is you don't get to add a caption alongside the images here, as you did with the previous example.